Hi, peacock. Turn around. Ayan. Oh, what a big rabbit. He's massive, this rabbit. He got big ears. Oh, look at this rabbit. This big rabbit. Rabbit is a massive. Is it tiny?
Siapa? Winter hairdresser. Cute guinea pig.
They're going to spit you. This alpaca. They're eating. Big chicken. Look at that fat rabbit, look. It's massive. How big is it? How big is rabbit? Oh my lord. Oh my lord. Look, it's massive. This rabbit is big. I've never seen a big rabbit before. Rabbit! Rabbit, rabbit! Rabbit, rabbit! Nana chicken. On the tree. Ayan guys, dito kami, balik kami sa Warrington Zoo. That's cute though. Mommy duck, baby duck. How many baby? Oh, for 6 baby. He got 6 baby. Oh, 7, 8. 8. Albino. This is albino. Ingay. Taas liog. Ganon yan sila magingay. Cute. bulaklak ng mga tulips. Wow, ang ganda. Ayan, namukadkad na. Wow, super ganda. Ayan guys, ang tulips. Springtime na kasi. Ayan, padkad na ang mga tulips. Tuwing ano naman ito, bumubuka. Springtime, tapos pag sunshine, bumubuka siya. Ayan. Oh, tulips. Tulips. Ganda-ganda ng tulips. Ay, nandito. Dami. Ayan guys, bumalik kami dito sa Warrington Zoo Garden. Ayan, ang ganda ng tulips. Bukas natin. Ang daming tao. Ayan, bumalik kami dito guys. Malapit na mag-summer. Maraming magandang bulaklak dito sa Walton Garden. Ayan si Thomas. Nandito na naman si Thomas. Nice to meet you, Thomas and friends. Ayan, guys, off natin kay maraming tao eh. See you next time guys. Please click like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Pahinga muna kami dito sa Walton Garden. Ayan. Maraming tao nag-ikot-ikot. Pahinga muna tayo dito. Kanina pa kami lakad-lakad. Napagod ang paa ko eh. Ayan, may dito may para simbahan niya pero hindi siya simbahan. That one it's like a church but it's not a church. Ayan, may mga bulaklak dyan dyan sa may tumiting may tubig dyan. Lele tumiting lakad-lakad. Maganda pag summer na. May naglalaro. Ayan mga tulips dyan. Yung bahay na yan parang siya, greenhouse that one. Maraming Asian plants sa loob. Tropical plants. That one inside is tropical plants. Inside that house. Ayan. Pangmang siya. Parang lunita din. Slow pedestrian. Ang cute itong bulaklak nito. Ano siya na ba? Ang ganda. Maliit lang siya ba? Duwag. Ganda ng bulaklak nito. Ang ganda. Ay, ang dami magandang bulaklak dito. Very nice, but flowers here. Ayan, bulaklak din. Ganda. Maraming mga magandang bulaklak pag summer. Malapit na summer kasi. Guys, ang mga bulaklak.